Every day, people in America face issues regarding their health. Most Americans do not find the need to get their health checked out until it is too late. Many people in America, such as the minorities, struggle with various of health problems such as HIV and AIDS, diabetes, cancer, genetically modified organisms, also known as GMOs, and autism. These health issues is another reason the African American community is dying by and large out of any other minority group. With all these health issues going on in America and lack of funding to support these issues, minorities need to stay woke and take care of themselves before it is too late.
HIV and AIDS is a big health issue in today's society. Each year, there are more and more HIV infections, which goes to show that people aren't learning the message about the dangers of HIV. The abbreviation HIV can refer to the virus or the infection. When HIV gets inside a person's body, it attacks his or her immune system. The immune system is very important because it helps fight off infections and disease. When this happens, the immune system is now weakened, which means your immune system cannot do its job and fight off diseases. HIV is spread mainly by having sex with or sharing drugs, infection equipment with someone who is infected with HIV. HIV can spread through in ways such as contact with blood, semen, pre-seminal fluid, vaginal fluids, or breast milk of a person who is infected. To reduce your risk of HIV infections, use condoms correctly during sex or limit your sexual partners.
Diabetes has been a major health issue in American society for a long time. In fact, diabetes is a terrible disease that occurs when your body doesn't produce enough insulin and raises your blood sugar level. Diabetes occurs in several different types: type 2 diabetes, type 1 diabetes, pre-diabetes, and gestational diabetes that typically occurs in pregnant women. Type 2 diabetes is the most common type of diabetes amongst African Americans and often genetically inherited. African Americans are more likely to have diabetes than non-Hispanic whites. To prevent this awful disease, developing healthier eating habits and exercising on a daily is the best way to go.
Cancer is a mutation caused by cell replicating improperly and continuing to replicate. Thus, because of this, there are different types of cancer, like lung and breast cancer. Cancer is a change in the mutation of DNA of your cells and comes in various forms. In 2017, there are over 252,710 new cases of breast cancer diagnosed in women, as shown by the average growth rate shown by the American Cancer Society. What cancer does to your body, it alters the cells and continues to divide uncontrollably, causing lumps of tissue called tumors, except in the case of leukemia. Breast cancer is the second leading cause of deaths in women, second only to lung cancer. The chances a woman will die from breast cancer is 1 in 37 women, which is about 2.7%. There can be a possibility of infinite forms of cancer due to each cell mutates differently in different parts of the body.
GMOs are genetically modified organisms that have genes extracted from an organic organism and stretched upon artificial factors to replicate what's organic. These organisms are not organic but are made to replace organic food. Although GMOs may help in an economic way, it is a major disadvantage in the way of health.
A major disorder affecting children is autism. Autism is a mental condition that causes an individual to have problems communicating and developing social interaction. These issues cause significant impairment in social, occupations, and other areas of functioning. Autism spectrum disorder can be diagnosed as early as the age of 2 years old.
To conclude health problems in America, we have learned that the main effects are HIV, diabetes, cancer, GMOs, and autism. HIV and AIDS is a big issue in the Black society. Even today, people aren't aware of the dangers of unprotected sex. Next, diabetes is at large in the African American society. Diabetes is a disease in which the body's ability to produce hormone insulin is impaired. Cancer is a mutation, cell replication that continues to replicate, causing all types of cancers, including lung cancer. Moving on, we have GMOS, commonly known as genetically modified organism, a gene that is extracted from an organism, also with a risk of gastrointestinal disorder. Closing, autism is a major disorder involving children, also known as autism spectrum disorder.